Om Shri Satnam Sakhi, Jai Sri Krishna. Satsang Varkha, Book 3, Discourse 6. There was a time in Sindh when motor vehicles were rare. Very few people had one. If a motor vehicle arrived in a small village or a town, people of all ages would run to see it, to see how it works, since it was a rare sight. And when the sound of an airplane was heard, people used to come out of their homes and go up to the roof to see it. They did not have any knowledge about how a plane even flies. In those days, our Acharya, Param Pujya Sadguru Swami Teonamji Maharaj, took trips to different cities and villages on foot. Whenever Maharajji went to a city or a village, he would go there for 5 to 10 days to perform satsang and bhajan, and then he would leave again for a different neighborhood. There was a custom in Sindh that whenever a saint or a Mahatma used to come to the city, on the last day, the mayor of that city used to request blessings for the entire city in the form of a lesson. So the mayor of a city also requested Param Pujya Sadguru Swami Teonamji Maharaj, Swamiji, please give us all a parting lesson. Then Guru Maharajji said on the request of those devotees, anything in the world that goes away can be recovered, but if an opportunity is missed, then it is very difficult for it to come back. Now look, yesterday is gone. No matter how hard we try to bring it back, yesterday's day cannot come back. So don't miss an opportunity. We can get all the things of the world. If a son leaves his parents in disappointment, he can come back. If a woman gets upset, she can also come back. If a husband gets upset, he also can be convinced. If we leave a city, we can come back again. It is possible for these things to happen. However, if time gets out of hand, it's gone. Therefore, whoever missed an opportunity has lost their birth, and the one who lost his birth loses this world and heaven too. Just imagine the state of one who has lost and ruined their time on this planet and heaven. That's why Guru Maharajji emphasizes to save as much time as possible from your business and worldly dealings to do satsang. If you perform satsang, bhajan and kirtan with your friends and family with love, then all of your sorrows will be over. Your purpose of birth will also be successful and fulfilled. And you will also be aware of each other's well-being. Mutual love will also increase between you all, and there will be many more benefits. Guru Maharajji said, I am also seeing that your love for satsang is increasing day by day among all you devotees. Guru Maharajji narrated, yesterday I went to Jethanand's house and Hochand was also there with me. He pointed out that we do not have enough space for satsang, and I hope we find a bigger place to do satsangs, since the number of devotees have grown so much that they stand outside and listen to the satsang. The love for satsang has increased day by day among so many devotees, and I thank you all for this. So you should never miss the opportunity of listening to discourses, which are the blessings from Guru Maharajji to you. Guru Maharajji further says, whether it is a saint, whether it is a knowledgeable person, a meditator, whoever it is, everyone should serve according to their ability. बोलिए सद्गुरुदेव भगवान की जय।